Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Vscode is up to date and note whether Git is built in or provided by an extension. Once done, decide the scope. Do you want to disable Git for a single workspace, for your user account, or remove Git integration entirely? Make sure to back up your settings. JSON so you can restore quickly. Now open the command palette and navigate to Settings to begin changing the Git integration settings. This is the first actionable change. You open Settings, JSON, so changes are explicit and reversible. Change Git. Enabled to false to stop Vscode from activating its Git features, or set Git. Path to an empty string to prevent it from finding a Git binary. Both approaches are effective. If Git is provided by an extension, go to the extension's view and disable or uninstall that extension for the workspace or globally. Make sure to save settings and restart Vscode so the disable takes effect cleanly. You finish by restarting Vscode and verifying that the source control tab no longer shows repositories. This confirms the disable worked. If you need Git back, revert the settings. JSON change or reinstall and enable the extension. Make sure to clear workspace caches if stale indicators persist. If something goes wrong, open the Developer Tools console to inspect errors and check that no workspace level settings override your changes. This quick diagnostic.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.